Now I'm gonna make a egg, jalapeno, cheese, tomato bake. I don't know. I'm trying this out. It is an original recipe from that favorite website that I have, that gina.com. However, the recipe called for a can of pickled jalapenos, which my friend had given me these fresh ones from her garden. So I wanted to use those. So I've got 2 ounces of jalapenos, and I'm going to dice those up. 8 ounces of cheese. That's a lot of cheese, but I don't know. It'll be good. And then I'm going to do 2 ounces of tomatoes in there. So I'm going to whisk up the eggs, not the tomatoes. I'm going to dice these up and dice those up. And basically you just mix everything in a dish. Bake it at 350 for, let's see, 15 to 20 minutes. So we are going to see what I get out of this. I don't know. Just thought it'd be a good little side dish to have throughout the week. So let's see how this turns out. I'm using my trusty Pyrex dish again, spraying it down. I bought the olive oil cooking spray this time. Thought I would switch it up. I think because I was at Sam's and not Costco when I needed it. So I sprayed the pan. The recipe is kind of weird. Like, it says 1 serving is 3 pieces, but you're supposed to cut this into 36. So I'm not going to do that. I think I'll cut it into 12, and then 1 serving will be 1 piece. So that's my plan. So I am going to dice up my tomatoes, and then I'm going to, what am I doing? I'm using like the wrong knife. I'm all out of sorts here. There we go. I'm going to dice up those tomatoes. I've got bacon cooking as usual. So I did some of my buffalo cauliflower. I did my broccoli. Gosh, I was going to take it easy and then I just start cooking. I just love cooking though. It is my like stress relief. I just like being able to, I don't know. It helps. It's just, I like the step-by-step nature of it. And I like eating good food. I guess that's part of it too. So I'm going to dice up these. I'm hoping they're not too spicy, because I think pickled jalapenos maybe are a little less spicy than these, but I wanted to use them. I'm also probably going to make some snacks in a bit. I think I might do my jalapeno poppers. I don't know if anybody else ever makes those, but you know, it's just, mine are pretty basic. I just take a jalapeno, cut it in half, yeah. Fill it with cream cheese. I top it with cheddar cheese too. I double up on the cheese, and then put them in the oven. I bake them just like until everything's kind of melted, and then top it with some bacon, and those are good. And I think I am going to make some of those to snack on because they're a good treat. Yeah, I haven't been eating that well lately. Like, you know, I always stick to my keto, but I've been definitely eating more than I need to this week. I'll be honest, I've just been stressed and just eaten a little extra. So I am going to try to tighten it up a little bit this week. I shouldn't say I'm going to try. I am going to. I'm going to make my meals and stick to my plan and avoid the snacks. I think too is I've been making, you know, like this week I made my keto peanut butter cookies. Oh my gosh, and I made them really good this week. So yeah, I've been snacking on those, and you know, it's so bad when you just like grab them and snack, because then you eat like 4, like, and I shouldn't be eating 4. So I'm gonna. My bacon smells so good. I should put bacon in this, right? But anyway, I'll just have bacon on the side. I should take your advice, Susan the crew. You're so sweet. But I should take your advice and crack the eggs in another bowl. But, you know, I'm just not going to right now. I feel like I'm confident today, and I can successfully, hopefully, not get any shell in. So far, so good. I'm on egg 3. No shell. Excellent. 1 more egg. And sweet. No shell. So I'm going to salt and pepper these. I've been using the coarse kosher salt, and it's like, it is pretty coarse. I'm gonna whisk these up. It looks like the egg to addition ratio is pretty like topping heavy. Like there's a lot more cheese and topping than egg, but like I said, it's my first time making this. I could probably add, I feel like I should add more eggs. Or like heavy whipping cream or something. I don't know. We'll try it. See what happens. It's more of like, the egg is just like a thin base for all the stuff you're adding into it. So I'm going to add my tomatoes and my jalapenos. Oh my gosh, it might be super spicy. I'm going to add my eggs, or my, yeah. I'm going to add my cheese. Oh, it's pretty like intense. I think I need a spoon and not that whisk anymore. We'll see. Yeah, definitely super cheesy. It's like, oh, it's probably going to be kind of like almost making like a bread, because you're really, I should put cream cheese in there. Well, I'm going to try it just simple. Cream cheese would probably be awesome in there though. I'm going to try it pretty simple this time, and then if I need to switch it up for next time, I will do that. Because yeah, right now it just really looks like cheese and vegetables. But I'm going to add it to my Pyrex that's been doused in cooking oil spray, olive oil cooking spray. Yeah, I don't know. We'll see. Hopefully this is good. I don't know. Looks a little different. Definitely more cheesy than eggy, but it's alright. Cheese is always delicious. So, but yeah, I think I'll make note that next time I might add like definitely some cream cheese or something. So that's what that looks like. I'm going to bake it in my oven. I've got 2 minutes left for my bacon to come out. And bake it for about 15 minutes, and then I'll check it. Yeah, I don't know. I'll try it and see if I like it. So now this has been sitting out for a little while, and I've put a few pieces into lunches, and I actually ate one, and it is actually really good. I might use less jalapenos next time, a little spicy. But yeah, the flavor is good. And yeah, I baked it for 20 minutes, and it turned out perfectly.